热天时啊，大家呢拢会炸一支细支的电风伫咧身躯顶。不过这种物件呢，因为小个真快淘汰，所以呢，互人叫做一个快科技商品。这种快科技商品呢，会来造成这个环境污染，因为粪扫真多。根据统计哦，干那2024年，全英国就评买5亿9千万件快科技商品。
北极熊是热甲伫冰角顶面滚流，海边啊也全拢是人，路上民众是一直会亏损。要若即款的天气以后会阁愈食发生，时间也会阁愈长。未来巴黎可能上高温有40度，比利时甲荷兰的气温也会悬到无正常。要若为着降温，会使看到真侪人手拢提一只细只的电风，价销无贵，一只大约是10英镑，无到台票400块。根据调查，英国一天平均卖出19500台的这种手提电风。
Because people think that they'll cool you down. They don't, they just push around hot air.
That's pretty cool, but I can't really feel the wind on it.
不过因为真少，真侪人用完就淡掉，而且明年的这时阵，佫会推出新型的。佫来就是伊无耐用，也无好维修，这种互人叫做快科技的产品，可能致使一场毋捌有的电子粪扫灾难。
What do you do with it afterwards? I mean, it looks trash, so it becomes trash.
With the UK heat wave, as we know, it can come and go in a flash, and you won't have wanted to spend a lot of money on staying cool. Some of mine I've had since 2023. There's no need to dispose of them after you've used them for one summer. Just pop them away in a cupboard, drawer, whatever, and get them out the next year.
专家讲，这个快科技的电子产品，其实拢有真宝贵的金属材料，亲像铜、金、锂、有阿鲁米等等，拢会当回收搁再利用。另外，根据调查，英国伫2024年到2025年之间，都等着5.89亿个快科技产品，而且伫2023年，等着数量是4.71亿件，其中有真侪是无用过的红弹条。公司新闻新乐培编译。